So one of the real challenges with doing a trade show booth is the lighting. You can see these clamp-on lights. They plug into the wall, they don't have a switch. And when you're demonstrating retrofit lighting like ours, you still want the ability to turn the light on or off. So by using the Pro 4 PMs, I was able to do a separate wire, just an input for the relay as the light switch, and share one common line. It's very small load among all the 16 lighting circuits because it's just an input, on or off. We've got the outputs going to plug mode strips. Each of the plug mode strips, I've wired individual outlets to control lights on top of each wall. The second row of relays, those are controlling electrical outlets. We're not really doing control with them. We're just doing power measurement to show what a particular circuit is consuming. The real challenge, though, is the Wi-Fi. Most of our products are retrofit with Wi-Fi. You notice these are Ethernet. I had to do that because with all of the different Wi-Fi networks here, the possibility of these devices powering up and not being able to find my specific network and connect were pretty high. We've had some problems demonstrating in the past because of that. So we've also got everything connected with Ethernet. We've connected to tablets. So we don't actually have a connection to the outside world here. Everything that we do is local. So if you'd like to step over here, we'll take a look at one of our tablets. Okay, so here we've got the lights for the central column. And again, you can see I'm not connected to the outside world at all, no cloud control. And just instant reaction, everything's shut down. We've got a blender, a refrigerator on another circuit over here. Power measurement is instantaneous. Everything is fully available through our APIs. So it doesn't matter what smart home system or automation platform, building control, SCADA, whatever you're using, the data is instantly available. It's fully local. We do have a free cloud connection, and we've got a cloud-to-cloud integration. But when the internet is down and you're not able to use someone else's computer, you've still got full control of the circuits in your home.
Now you said that the setup for the booth used Ethernet.
Yes.
But do the switches also work on Wi-Fi?
Yes, they both have Wi-Fi. They've got 2 access points, and they also have Bluetooth for provisioning. So over here behind this gentleman, we've also got a demo of some products that are going to be coming out in February. They're already available for pre-order now. That's DINRIL versions of Shelly 1, Shelly 1 PM, Shelly 2, Shelly 2.5. Excuse me, Shelly 2 PM. If you check these Pro products, also Ethernet. We've also got the world's smallest DINRIL mounted Ethernet switch. That's a 4-port switch. So if you want to see what this is, we've got a breaker coming in to control everything. Then we've got Shelly 2 PM. We've got Shelly 2. This Shelly 2 Pro, it actually has dry contacts. You can use it on 2 different phases. And Shelly 1, Shelly 1 PM, you're used to the colors already. The way this one is set up, we've got a contactor for controlling a pump, for example, and then a step-down transformer, say, to control the zones on the sprinkler system.